Hey guys, so LinkedIn has added a new feature in which you can add a pronunciation of your name onto your LinkedIn profile, and when someone opens or sees your profile, he can click on that pronunciation and he can see how your name is pronounced. So for that, you have to go onto your mobile app for iOS or Android, as this feature is only available in mobile, not desktop right now. And once you go in your mobile LinkedIn mobile app, so I am using Android, so I will go in my LinkedIn Android mobile app and I will click on the menu button, and as soon as I tap on it, the left hand bar opens in which I have some options, and I will click on view profile on top of the screen. And as soon as I click on it, I can see my profile opened, and I will click on the edit button, and as soon as I click on the edit button, I can see an option of add name pronunciation, and I can just click on this and I will allow LinkedIn to record audio. And then as soon as I click on add name pronunciation, so you can hold to record, and you have 10 seconds to explain your name pronunciation, and I will tap and hold onto this microphone option to record my name, and I will slide away to cancel and record again. And as soon as I record it and save it, people will be able to see my name pronunciation on my profile. As I'm recording this video, I will not add my name recording as of now, and I can see some audio recording guidelines over here also. So these are some things that you have to keep in mind while recording the audio. So you have to make sure that the total recording time is within 10 seconds. You have to try and limit the background noise, speak slowly and pronounce each syllable clearly, and hold the phone about 4 inches from your mouth. So if you follow these recommendations from LinkedIn, you will have the best possible audio recording of your name, and people can listen to your recording and pronounce your name properly when talking to you. If you have any issues in recording and displaying your name pronunciation on LinkedIn, please let me know in the comments and I will get back to you. Also remember that this feature is only available in the mobile. You can only set up your pronunciation of your name from your mobile LinkedIn mobile iOS or Android app. Stay safe, signing off.